Hello and welcome to this episode. In this episode I'm going to unbox this 115mm Ryobi angle grinder.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small.
Let's tip her out and see what's in here.
We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me.
They give you a grinding disc,
Meant to be in the great outdoors,
the angle grinder,
forever free.
some paperwork, a handle, and a tool. So I got the 115mm Ryobi cordless angle grinder. It's got a latch on the top for the safety guard.
From a distance you can tell.
It's got two triggers, one on the top you got to press, as well as the one on the bottom.
Meant to be.
They give you a handle
Forever free.
for extra support. It can go into the side, either side or on top.
Meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
The tool is used to put the discs onto the grinder. You press the little black button at the top of the grinder, which locks, so you can tighten and loosen for the disc. I'll just go grab a battery for it. I've been making shredded paper bricks using the Ryobi cordless drill. I'll just take the battery off and put it on the grinder. Thanks for watching this. If you like this stuff, give us a like, please subscribe and share it with your friends. Hello and welcome to Katt Outdoors. If you would like to support Katt Outdoors, we have some merchandise. I have some pink fishing shirts, blue fishing shirts, some bottle drink holders, some canned drink holders, pens, LED torch. I'll put the website address here for the merchandise.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors.